expression for potential energy in electrostatic. Okay, so now let us choose a coordinate system. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and I place a source charge q. This is point charge. Okay, now in the field of source charge q, I have been moving a charge q node, okay, from point A to from point B. Okay, now suppose this is ri vector, this is position vector of A, this is rb vector, position vector of B. Okay, now let us consider at any point in this path. Suppose the point is suppose P, okay, and at this point the displacement is suppose delta L vector. Now the position vector of this point, suppose this is r vector, okay. Now the electric force acting is like this, okay. So this is F electrostatic. Now if I want to calculate the electric force at this point, this will be F electrostatic is equal to, okay, I want to write only magnitude. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q node upon r square. Okay, now due to this force and due to this displacement, a work is done. Suppose this angle is theta. Now small work done delta w is equal to F electrostatic dot delta L vector. It implies delta w is equal to how much? F e delta L cos theta. Now what is delta L cos theta? Let us draw the zoom figure of this figure. Okay, now suppose this is F e vector, this is delta L vector, this angle is theta, this is r vector. If I want to resolve the delta L, now this will be delta L cos theta along Fe. Now I can represent delta L cos theta as dr, because dr is the increasing direction of r. Okay, so now delta L cos theta can be represented by dr. So Fe into dr. Okay, it implies delta w is equal to Fe can be represented by 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q node upon r square into dr. Now total work done W is equal to q node upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into dr by r square, and the limit is from r initial to r final. It implies W is equal to, this is q node upon 4 pi epsilon 0, the integration of 1 by r square is minus 1 by r, and the limit is from r initial to r final. It implies W is equal to q node upon 4 pi epsilon 0, and I put minus sign outside here. So this is 1 by r final minus 1 by r initial. And you know this is the work done by electrostatic. So I will represent it like this. Now we know that work done by electrostatic is equal to minus into change in potential energy. It implies change in potential energy is equal to minus of W electrostatic is equal to minus q node upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r final minus 1 by r initial. It implies delta u is equal to u final minus u initial is equal to, this is q node upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r final minus 1 by r initial. So this is the expression for change in potential energy.